Most people get this wrong when trying to start a company in Saudi Arabia. They assume the cheapest option is just picking the lowest government fee. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real cost is not just registration. It's structure, licensing, and long-term compliance. In this video, you'll learn the cheapest legal way to register a company in Saudi Arabia in 2026, without unnecessary fees, delays, or hidden costs. Let's break it down step by step. First, the biggest cost mistake is choosing the wrong setup route. Many people like Alex or Jake rush into a fully foreign-owned mainland company. But here's the problem. That option often requires higher capital, office space, and more approvals. If your goal is cost efficiency, that is usually not the starting point you want. Now here's where it gets interesting. The cheapest legal entry point for many foreigners is often a simplified license structure under the Ministry of Investment. In some cases, you can also reduce costs by starting with a specific activity license instead of a full commercial umbrella license. This limits your scope, but it keeps setup costs low. The second cost factor is office requirements. Many new founders assume they must rent a physical office immediately. But in Saudi Arabia, some business categories allow virtual offices or shared workspaces at the start. This alone can save thousands annually, especially for service-based businesses. The third major cost is licensing fees based on activity type. For example, consulting, its services and e-commerce are often cheaper to license than import-export or industrial activities. John, a freelancer turning into an agency owner, once picked the wrong category and ended up paying nearly double in initial licensing fees. But here's the key insight. The cheapest setup is not just about today's fees. It's about avoiding restructuring later. Many people try to save a small amount upfront, then pay much more later to fix mistakes in ownership structure or activity classification. The fourth cost-saving strategy is starting with a single shareholder structure. Multiple shareholders can increase documentation, legal drafting, and approval time. Keeping it simple at the start reduces both cost and delays. The fifth factor is using the correct registration channel. Direct applications through official investment platforms are usually cheaper than going through multiple intermediaries. However, some foreign investors still choose consultants for speed, not cost. So you need to balance both. So here's the simple takeaway. The cheapest way to register a company in Saudi Arabia in 2026 is not a shortcut. It's a smart structure. Choose the right license type, keep your setup simple, avoid unnecessary office costs, and plan for compliance from day one. If you want more clear, step-by-step guides on starting businesses globally, make sure to like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more breakdowns just like this.